today we are here at my auntie's house. This one we put fertilizer. That's like 2 floors. Spoon. It's from this buko. This is going to be our septic tank for our bathroom. I am so excited. Yes, I like farming. I have to use my hands, not in the camera. So, good morning guys. We are here right now at the farm again. As you can see, I'm wearing this big hat. And this is like a farmer hat. And today, we are here at my auntie's house. This one. The house, the kubo house, small house, wooden house, like that. And then our house is over there. It's about 3 minutes walk, or actually 2 minutes walk. Yeah. So right now I'm going there and they're starting all of the work. And I am so excited to see the progress, and I'll show you the progress. And yeah, let's go. Ooh, so this is the progress of the house project right now. And by the way, we hired a panday copper tree because Dad can't do right here because he doesn't like heights. He's afraid of heights or climbing up. So right now I'm going to visit the seeds that I plant the other day. This is the long beans that I planted few days ago, and now it's growing. Look, and that one too, right there, and also here, and also I put mostly here at the stones so that they can have like crawling area for the long beans, you know. Also this side I have them under these trees so that they can grow in these trees. Okay, so from here I can see the corn right here already growing. Wow, they look so nice. And this week we are going to buy fertilizer for this sweet corn and vegetables.
Bili. Apel po ne? Oh, sorry. 50 tanan.
There's this one. 50 jackfruit. For sale. Wow, so this is the new progress of the house project, guys. We have now roof. And by the way, guys, that's like 2 floors, but the distance from the bottom is just 6 feet. So if you're above 6 feet, then you can stand in this lower ground, and then the upper ground is about 5 feet or more. As you can see at the center, it's taller, and then at the side is smaller. So I guess at the side is only 5 feet, and then the lower ground is 6 feet. We're almost done. I mean halfway, I guess. So I am not sure if you can see it pretty clearly, but right now it looks so beautiful. Look at this green corn right here. It looks so pretty because they're growing right now. And then yesterday, by the way, guys, we put some fertilizer. I'll show you like this. Okay, so this one we put fertilizer. We did this yesterday. I don't have enough time to vlog. It's because we are in hurry because it's gonna rain. 4 people did putting all of this fertilizer in each corn, and then we finish it less than 30 minutes because we need to hurry, and because it's gonna rain, and then once it's gonna rain, the fertilizer dissolve, and then you won't know which one's finished and which one's not. Before we finish putting all of the fertilizer, it was a bit raining, but we're almost done, so I don't have time to also vlog because I have to run from the small house to here because we were at my sister's house early. This is so big. It's very refreshing here also, guys, and the fresh air, and hopefully the house here, where's the house? I mean this one. hopefully the house finish very soon so that we can stay here. And I'm going to put also some water and electricity here. But for the water, I need 2 rolls of hose, black hose. I guess that's 1,800 per roll, and then I need 2 because it's very far. It's very far actually, so I have to budget that also. And of course the electricity, and we are going to use the electricity at the fish pond. And of course the rest of the materials we use, mostly actually all of the materials we use in this farmhouse, small farmhouse, is from the fish pond, because at the fish pond the contract already ends. I'm so excited with the sweet corn, because you know I love sweet corn. Hopefully this corn grows pretty well. I buy 1 bag of ammonium for fertilizer of this corn, and then for 1 bag that's 750 pesos. After a month and a half, I guess, we are going to put another fertilizer, which is urea. After a few weeks after we put the fertilizer, it's gonna grow really nice, because as you can see in the background is pretty rocky, but of course there's a little bit of soil, and then that is where we plant the corn. And then I also plant some long beans, and it's growing. Hopefully the long beans good enough. I'm not gonna plant a lot of long beans because there's a sweet corn. Once the sweet corn harvest, we are going to plant some vegetables more, because I have like okra, I have eggplant, I have long beans. So after this corn harvesting, because this is only 4 months and we are almost in 1 month, I am so excited. Yes, I like farming. Maybe some of you guys wondering, of course I asked, we have a friend that works in department in agriculture before, so he is helping us, telling us that we have to do this and that for farming, so which is a big help for me, for us. So yeah, let's go back to the farmhouse, and I'm so excited. Oh, they look so pretty. So by the way guys, this is going to be our septic tank for our bathroom, and it's pretty hard to dig in here because there's a lot of rocks, and as well this one's rocks, and as well this one, so it's very hard. They started over there, but there's a big rocks that they can't remove, so they transferred it here. And right now hopefully this one we can dig some, like at least 2 meters deep, hopefully. Yeah, I have 2 laborers in this side, and then I have 1 laborer here at the house. Uy, boat turns!
Para straight sa libat ba? Ay, katawa. Tawa. Kalong.
Asuhay.
Oh, yan na.
Blur. Pandong ka.
Kano yun? Sa tugon yun? Yung mga...
Tipdaan ang bangagal.
Kapag ka?
Bida-bidahan na ng dana.
Kasagutan.
Sagingan, sagutan.
This is what I like in being in the farm, guys, because I can have coconut whenever I want, you know. Very nice.
Apay kalo dito to. No, kalimot ko dala.
I have native spoon. It's from this buko. This one. This is how you do it if you don't have spoon in the farm. Gitarunga kay para maabot ka og kuan. US. Apit na. So right now they're trying to remove this one big stone. Oh, Elmos. Kango naman ang ta. Ano na? Oo. Katangyod.
Kung ibangil.
Kaya usap ito tago.
Ha? Ako nga ni.
Mana? Tang-tang na. Dako di ay ko ay sa ilalong. Ito sa likod ni bulo na oh. Ay, ang bigat. Ooh, that's a big stone. Now we dig more for the septic tank. Oops, yeah. Okay. Di ogoy. So mapagkuan gawas ka ha. Diri guro na paingon. So we have to remove this big stone right here. Oy, may painyo nang kuan na lang. Ikuan na ninyong orange, yung gibira. Ooh, so we're heading home. That's the house of my auntie where we slept last night. Good morning, guys. So right now I am here at the site again, the farmhouse. And look at these. That's a progress. Earlier I was carrying some wood. Okay, so these are the wood that I paid. This is miscut, like a rejected wood from the Bansuhan. And then this one as well. So I paid all of this 600 pesos. Actually, it's still useful. Even if this miscut, like for example, this one, this is steak. And then at the edge is not right for 1 inch, I guess. And also at the top that there's a skin, so they called it miscut. And as well this one, tabla is like 8 feet tall, and then this one is half only. So this is what we call miscut or rejected wood. And that one is from the fish pond bridge, as you remember the fish pond bridge, that one.
Balikon ya po tani pahaputon ta.
Dayungan na to. This is brown leaves of banana. So I'm gonna do like this. Bugat na. Di ikuan lang, babe. Ikuan sa kung abaga ng kuan. Balik. Dito, oh. Dito. Wala, magkani ko ga-jacket. Abi ako cellphone, babe. Kuratan kanino.
Ako kani ba ko dali makuratan?
Basta kanang feeling kita na ako maakura isa. Agin ka. Ay.
Sampato lang ni sampato na ron sa yung pagkuan.
Ha?
Sampato na ko. Ano do? Ano do ano?
Una ako dari ti ala ang kuan di ay. Sundang. Okay, so I'll get back to you later because I can't carry two. I can't use my 2 hands in this. Like, I have to use my hands, not in the camera. Achoo. I'm sweating. It's a bit elevated, guys. So it's even more harder.
Walang dispoldo sa kuan no. Butangi po na kuan dispoldo sa hadlok ko kayo mo.
So I am picking some good nails to this. So this is the progress. This is our kitchen, and that's the firewood in this area. And then up there, that's Dad and my cousins doing chair at the top. And we have these stairs, and we have this second floor. Okay. These are the Panday sisters. Give me the basket, darling. People of the Philippines. Coffee.
Ay, di ah.
Banana. Okay, so that's the new progress. Right now we have chair. Then I'll show you that tomorrow. And then right here they have kitchen. Lots of ants in here, guys. So I have to go back to Sofia. So let's go, huh? If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye, everyone.